According to a BBC report, an average Pakistani consumes 24 kg per annum of edible oil. The scientists say that most of the oils used are of inferior quality for human health, containing polysaturated fats and a cause of coronary diseases.
The major issue facing the Pakistan is the import bill in the lieu of import of edible oil, with skyrocketing figure of 4 to 5 billion US dollar. To counter this food security threat, Pakistan looked at potential cultivational strategy of olive in the country by focusing on the national wealth of billions of wild olives in different parts of country. Looking into the prospectus, the government in 2014 flagship olive project was launched. The major purpose of the project was to commercialize olive production and its value chain in the country along with the strengthening rural communities.
Olive is a unique oilseed crop that does not replace the other crops. The fruit-bearing and productive age of olive is more than 100 years. The olive is a climate-resilient and less hydrophile crop and can be cultivated on undulated and marginal soils. Two major reasons for the suitability and sustainability of olives in the country are the presence of millions of wild olives and more than 4 million hectares of land available for olive plantations, mostly in the southern province of Balochistan. A 5-year-old well-grown olive orchard of 1 hectare has the capacity to fixing 5 tons of carbon dioxide back into the soil, providing the best solution for carbon dioxide sequestration. Through this initiative, it can be safely estimated that until now, 46,000 acres of undulated, marginal, poor productive and uncultivated lands have been brought under olive cultivation countrywide.
Italy is recognized globally for its excellence in olive oil, with a reputation built not only on advanced technology, but also on countries of craftsmanship and technical expertise passed down through generations.
Besides commercial cultivation, the whole olive value chain has been developed in Pakistan, ranging from olive oil processing and branding to standardization and branding of value-added products like pickles, jams, cosmetics, and vinegar. Future prospects are being widened to nutraceuticals, pellets, ethanol, and many others. For the said purpose, 27 olive oil extraction units in 3 value-added labs have been developed. Print, electronic, and social media gadgets have been instrumental in the promotion of olive value chain and its commercialization. Moreover, olive conferences, festivals and galas are being held every year to educate the stakeholders and showcase the project and sector achievements.
Government of Pakistan is committed to promote and establish olive value chain in the country for 2 reasons. One, to substitute for edible oil imports, and second, for our social upheaval of rural communities by having concrete olive value chain. Resultantly, imports in terms of olive oil imports have fallen to half, and expected that a satisfactory result in this context will be in the future beyond 2030.
हमारे पास 1000 कनाल रकबे पे हमने जैतून का बाग लगाया है। इसमें से हमने 4 फायदे उठाए हैं। इसमें से खुद हमने अपना अचार भी बनाया है और मुरब्बा भी बनाया है, ऑयल भी खुद भी खाया है और बेचा भी है। जो पौधे हमें सब्सिडी प्रोग्राम में मिले हैं हुकूमत की तरफ से, तो एक पौधा हमने वहाँ पे लगा लिया। उसके जो सब्सिडी प्रोग्राम है उसके तहत उन्होंने हमारे लिए ड्रिप भी लगा दिए।
जैतून की काश्त का तजुर्बा तो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है। जब हम तो फ्रूट उतार देते हैं तो उसको फिर प्लास्टिक के क्रेट्स में रखते हैं। उसी दिन फिर तरना फार्म लेके जाते हैं, वहाँ से फिर एक्सट्रैक्शन कर लेते हैं ऑयल की।
पिछले साल तकरीबन हमने 2300 लीटर ऑयल निकाला था। सब्सिडी रेट पे हमें जो है कटिंग के लिए हमें पूरा एक किट दी गई, उसमें जो है टाट भी उसमें है, उसमें जो है वो कंगी भी है और उसमें जो है मुख्तलिफ सी चीज़ें हैं जो है दी गई हैं, वो भी सब्सिडी रेट पे हमें मिली है।
A new activity, trying to explore and to utilize the maximum benefit from this olive production.
हम गवर्नमेंट के इंतहाई शुक्रगुजार हैं, इन्होंने इस तरह का प्रोजेक्ट हमारे लिए लॉन्च किया है।
फरवरी में वफाक गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी पर 3000 के करीब दरख्त हमें मुहैया किए गए थे।
Through training programs specially designed for the value chain development and precisely focused on the empowerment of youth and women, new employment avenues are being emerged for upscaling the social sector. The sector achievements have led to at least 20 startups in olive value chain, focusing on olive oil and other products marketing, branding, and economic implications. The International Olive Council, an intergovernmental organization administering and regulating olive sector in the world, has recognized Pakistani efforts. The executive director of Olive Council and his team traveled to Pakistan to see for themselves the excellence and progress made by the country in the olive sector. The Council has granted observer status to Pakistan since 2021. The country is expected to be granted permanent status in Council of Members of IOC in near future. Achieving self-sufficiency in olive nursery production is challenging, yet a formidable aim to achieve in the future. Considering this aspect, 12 state-of-the-art double-shaded nursery tunnels have been provided countrywide for the indigenous production of the olive nursery plants. In addition to that, a modern technique containing nursery plugs in propagation boxes along with adjusted misting system has also been initiated now. This promising technique has been proven to give 80% success in rooting and nursery plant production. Olive oil storage has been a big issue in the initial days of olive production, as farmers were not aware of the safe storage of oil for its stability, effectiveness, and other parameters. The project, through training and workshops, has introduced opaque glass bottles and stainless steel tanks for the safe preservation of olive oil. A new avenue of oil storage for its better quality is the introduction of 500-liter tanks. The project has developed one national olive oil reference lab for the certification of olive oil in Islamabad. This lab will be certified by IOC Category B and by ISO 17025 for the certified oil to comply with international standards of olive oil export in the future. For sector transformation and promulgation of regulatory framework body like Pakistan Olive Oil Council or Pakistan Olive Oil Association, efforts are being made in collaboration with Italian stakeholders. In this regard, a concrete action plan has been finalized after consultative meetings in Pakistan and Italy.
Also formulating olive value chain policy 2030 with a clear roadmap of establishing Pakistan Olive Oil Council Association. We are also making a concrete effort to be a member of the International Olive Council. Together with these wonderful efforts, I have no doubt in my mind that we will be able to reduce the substitute import bill by olive cultivation and value chain development.
Let the sky be the horizon of this sector, as it is economically pivotal for Pakistan.